Hey guys, what's up? So today I'm showing you guys the 12 best apps, guys, or well, 12 apps that I picked out for your Android device. I'm gonna be doing a lot more of these videos depending on how much you guys like it. If these videos do well, I'll definitely make more. But I'm gonna choose pretty much a bunch of apps that I think are worth downloading and make a video on it, so you guys can see if you guys are interested or not in these applications. So this list is swiftly for Android. If you guys want me to make iOS videos of the top best apps, then either donate me your iPhone or let me know if a lot of people want it. Then I'll definitely buy an iPhone. I do have like three iPhones, but they're all like old iPhones and they're not up to date, so I can't really use them for videos. I have like iOS 13, iOS like 11, iOS 14, and like iOS 12. So but yeah, let's begin the video, guys. So in this video, we're doing 12 apps that I picked out that I think you guys would like. So let's begin. So the first app is called Notai or Noti Notes, and this is actually not an app dash question mark. So this app is actually, well, it's an app you guys install from most of you guys get it from the Play Store. But Notai Notes is you can get it from the Play Store. It's not actually an app that appears, but yeah, pretty much when you download it, you can actually customize it in your control center or notification center, however you guys want to, whatever this is called. You see it's right here. So pretty much what you do is you click onto it, and then it allows you to pretty much add a quick note. So like if you want to, put the title, and then you can put the note here, and then pretty much you can say the note after you write it. So it's good for people who just like, who think a lot like me. I have OCD, but like I like to think of certain things and I don't want to forget them, or like, say you have a grocery list or you just want to make a quick note of something. This is the perfect app for you guys. So we do have settings right here. You got some customizations right there, and then we have you guys change the color from right there. But yeah, pretty cool. But again, guys, I'm not sponsored by any of these apps. These are just apps that I found and that I'm showing you guys. All right, so that's the app number one. Not in any order, as in like number one is the best, number 12 is the worst. It's just random order. But yeah, so the next app is called Location Changer, and for this, you actually have to make. Okay, so that's pretty new. So I just downloaded like yesterday or 2 days ago, and already have an update, which is pretty good. So it literally told me like to update it, but yeah, it literally says the last update was in November 8th. So kind of confused because today's January 3rd of 2025. So I'm not sure why I said that, but here's the app right here, guys. Where I'm gonna show you the app. Also, here's Notai Notes, just in case you guys want to see it. You can't open it because it's not an app, even though it technically is. But like, it goes directly to your control center or notification center, or whatever, for you to customize and use it from there. It's not actually an app where you open up, which is kind of unique because I never really found something like this until now. All right, so we click no here. So this is pretty cool. This actually allows us to change our location, our device. It pretty much allows you to spoof your location on your device. It's good for certain games that require your location, or you can even trick or troll your friends. Having your location somewhere even though that you're not. So for any location app to work, you have to change the mock location of it, which you can easily just change back, or all that kind of good stuff. And or if that to happen, you do have to enable developer settings, which you just pretty much tap on the build number like 5 or 7 times, and you get developer options. So it's really easy to do. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, then probably this video isn't for you. I don't know, but look up just how to get developer settings. It's really easy. And yeah, so once you go to here, we click on show map, and here we can actually go anywhere we want in the world, right? Because I live in Florida, I'm in Fort Lauderdale, but we go anywhere in the world, and then we can pretty much hold down and anywhere, and then we actually click on start, and see right here it's going to tell us. So if you click on yes, once you have developer options enabled, like right here, you pretty much scroll all the way down. Luckily, it's like all the way in the bottom, and then you see right here, select mock location, and then we can pretty much just click on the app. And you always just change this again, and then once we change it, now we are good to actually change our location. So let's say we want to change it to this place in like Tennessee or whatever. So we click on start, and now we're here. It's simple like that. You can hide the map if you want, or you could just click on stop, and then it'll actually go back to your current location. You could click on add more, so like pretty much it's like kind of like a fake route. So like if you want to add one right here, right? Let's say you want to add another one. So let's click on yeah, so we click on 2 right here. So pretty much what it's going to do is if you click on drive, and then you could do certain intervals. One's the best that I found out, and then you click on start. It pretty much going to have you like drive from that location to this location. So like it like pretends you're actually driving to a location even though you're not. So, and just to show you guys, I'm not like lying or anything. I'm gonna go to Google Maps right now. All right, so let's go to Maps, and here we go. So as you can see right here, we are. I'm actually at my house right now in Florida, but you see, it has me down somewhere in Tennessee, and it has me down as driving. So you see that I'm moving because it's pretty much like I'm driving. So there you go. Pretty cool. And then stoppage, go back to the app and then click on stop. And that's it. Now we actually go back to your actual location. So that's that app. All right, so this one I like a little better, but still pretty good. Does the same thing. It's called Loca Edit, and this allows you to change your location. This does have a premium feature to do a lot more on this app. So, but I like this one better. But again, like it does cost premium for this. So here we again, when you change the location, you have to change the mock location. So we'll go to set, and then same thing. But we have to go all the way down, and then we have to change it over to this app. So change it to Loca Edit or whatever app you're using to change the location. And then from here, we can actually, same thing. We have, also, I think the other one might have it too, but this one we have a joystick, which is pretty cool. I think the other one, your joystick as well. So please enable the remote for normal use function. Okay. All right. So here, you can change your location. You have navigation, so you can actually like navigate from one point to another. You can do as walking, cycling, or as driving. And then this right here, we can change the type to default or to satellite. We do multiple routes using this mode right here, and then adjust our speed. Pretty cool. And we have our profile right there. So it's pretty easy. And you can add different stuff here. So yeah, I gotta cut out my my address. Oh Lord. So yeah, I gotta cut out my address, guys, because we don't want that there. But same thing, you just pretty much click on change, and then you actually can change location to whatever. And then if you actually click on the settings right here, and yeah, you do a different miles or kilometers. Go back here, and then the bottom left, you see like that green little button. That's our joystick. So we click on here and click on start, and now we actually can like literally move any direction, and like we can actually move anywhere. So let me go into our Maps app. So here we are, guys. Let me just go over to where we are, our location. All right, so here we are right here. So you can see I'm going to move using the joystick. I guess we're at the, there we go. All right, so now when I go down, I'm going down, and you could adjust the speed. I want to go left, moving left, upper right, and let's go up. So yeah, pretty cool. Again, you can adjust the speed, and then you can move this around, or if you click on the lock, it locks it into place, which is pretty cool. And then when you want to get rid of it, just click on the X, just like that. So to show you guys in this app right here, so location changer, if you actually go over to here, we also get same thing, a joystick as well. So we can enable it, and then use our click on start. We have to change it back, but we also get a joystick as well, and also some other options as well. So just to show you, we'll go back to the app. And then we have to go back to settings. Joystick, we're gonna re-enable it, and it should work. Start. There we go. Now we get the joystick right here. And pretty cool. And then we're done. Click on stop, and it goes away. All right, this app's I'm going to go through kind of quick. Can get to the point because it's already a long video. This one's called Power Shortcuts, and this allows you pretty much to do different shortcuts on your phone, which is pretty cool. So you can open a certain website with certain shortcuts, or open up a certain application by doing certain shortcuts, like I'm press my volume up twice or volume down or whatever I want to do. It allows you to open up like certain apps or websites or certain content, using shortcuts. Also, you have system right here. You can open certain system stuff. You have key injection. So yeah, pretty cool. I'll say the next one is actually one of my favorites. It's called Snap Edit. All right, let's open up Snap Edit, and this is very very cool because it allows you to like remove objects easily, and like I guess like remove text and all that kind of cool stuff. And then you also have a way to like generate images as well, which is pretty cool. So I'm just gonna show you a remove object, for example. Let's say I want to remove. Let's click on this object, and there's also a super easy super erase mode, which is pretty cool. But you also can manually remove stuff by like pretty much coloring it in, or you can also use on the bottom left the auto AI, which automatically like pretty much grabs the different images. So this is gonna be a very swappy job, but obviously like you get the point. So click on remove, and then it's gonna remove that object. There's other features on this as well, so it's pretty cool. So if I go to auto, like using auto AI, it finds the objects and you just click on the objects. If I want to remove the big guy, or I can move him, or yeah. So I click on the big guy and then click on remove. It's going to remove that big robot because that's what we clicked on. Yeah, the background is a little messed up, but yeah, overall it's still pretty cool. And again, there's text on here. It can actually remove the text, or you can do a wire way where it just pretty much finds different lines to remove. So pretty cool. All right, the next app is called Disky, and this pretty much calculates your space and tells you what you use, how much space you have left, and what's taking up what amount of space. So this is very good for people like me who don't have much space left, or if you already have 64 gigabytes and you only have a couple gigabytes left, and you want to clear up your space, or even if you're like me, have 256 gigabytes or more, and you only have a little space left, this is perfect for you. So it does take a little while to load. Like literally took me like a minute, which is pretty good since I use 250. I have like 240 at like 256 gigabytes. So you can see it gives you pretty much a little folders of how much space everything's taking up. So my apps are taking up almost 200 gigabytes, which is crazy. I have a bunch of apps and tells you exactly in order of how much space each app is taking. So yeah, pretty cool. And let's say you want to remove something. Let's say you want to get rid of I don't know, password or whatever. You click on what you want to remove, and then you actually allows you to pretty much have using data here at APK or cache as well. Pretty cool. And it tells you how much space, how much space you have left. So if you want to pretty much remove something and see how much space you have left, this is the perfect app for you. All right, next app is called Extinguish, and this is pretty cool. So if you guys remember a tweak called Backgrounder in iOS, it pretty much allowed you to like turn your screen off, but also have the app that you're doing run in the background like it would be if your screen was on, even though your screen is off. It just pretty much saves some battery because when your screen is on, I think it takes like 20% of your battery, so it just helps you save some battery. For this, you do need Shizuku to actually use this. If you have root, it's very easy, or if you don't have root, you can still use Shizuku, but you just download from the Play Store and you have to set up through like your computer, or you have to set up through like the I think ADB method. So you guys can look up a tutorial on how to set Suzuku up, and then you are able to use this app. But pretty much what this app does is that it just allows you to turn your screen off while you're on, and your app will still stay there and still work as if the screen was on. So pretty much it will save you some battery. Like let's say you're doing something where you're gonna be on the same screen. If you got to have your screen on, let's say you upload like a long YouTube video, this is where this would be good because you can turn your screen off and then it'll still actually work like it would be if the screen was on. So it just helps you save some battery. Next one's called Ets APK installer. You can download that one as well from the Play Store, and this allows you to install APKs as well as Ets APKs. So I don't know the whole APK thing because there's a package manager that allows you to install APK files on your device, but yeah, for Ets APKs, you actually have to have an You have to have like a third party app install it for you because Android can only install APKs, not Ets APKs. So this is good for if this is Ets APK you're trying to install, then you would need to use a third party. So this is good because this allows you to install APKs as well as APKs as well. It's not worth it getting premium. Pretty much the only thing you get premium for is removing ads, and VIP customer support, which I mean, that's nobody's gonna use that. But if the ads are annoying you, you can always just buy premium. But for $15 a week just to remove ads, I don't think that's worth it at all. You literally get the same features just without ads. That's not worth $15 a month. I mean, $15 a week, if you ask me. Okay, I almost took a nap while this ad's gonna finish. Like, holy moly! So all you do is when you're here, you can click on file manager. You know, that's not really important. Backup files, but you click install APK or APK, and then actually you search your device to see what its APKs or APKs you have on your in your files that you downloaded, and then it actually install it for you. But you click on it to install it. I don't have any its APKs installed, but I do have some APKs. So if I go to here, it's gonna come up with whatever APKs it finds like that I downloaded. So just download its APK and then use this to actually install the its APK on your phone. So you see I have a bunch of apps, APKs that I downloaded. Next one's called NetBlocker, and this one's pretty cool. This is also like a tweak on iOS. Let's not load the ad. Come on. I hate ads, guys. Ads are like the worst thing. Alright, whatever. It's not even load. Okay. Do you want to prevent other apps from turning off NetBlocker? Okay, so you could use, not now. You can also add a pin, which is pretty cool. The ads are a little annoying, but this is like there's a tweak on iOS where you can like turn off like the Wi-Fi or data for certain apps, and this allows you to do that. So, yeah, there's certain apps or games that you want to like turn Wi-Fi off or data off. It could be example because like some offline games like they use your data or Wi-Fi to display ads. So in that case, you can just disable the Wi-Fi or data in those apps, and then it'll prevent it from displaying the ads. So that's one way to use this. Or if you just want to like save up, like say battery, because when apps use like data, it does use some more battery. So you can also use this to save battery as well. That's really it. You guys go down here and go to others, and then here's pretty much all your apps in ABC order. If you want to turn off data or Wi-Fi for the app, you just pretty much click on. I'll do the first one on top. You just click on the little globe, and then turn it off. Just that simple. And you turn it back on. If you use stuff, check out the must-not. You look so excited. Oh my god, that scared me. I'm so sorry. It came out of nowhere. And you guys can click on the arrow, and then you get more pretty much like information on it, and you go data limit, data usage, app info. So it's pretty cool. If you're trying to monitor your limit, your data limit, it's just also good for that as well. And then on the bottom, we can actually turn on the VPN, which allows us to work for all the apps that we turn off the Wi-Fi for. All right, that's one of my favorites as well. It's called WTMP, and okay. And this app, pretty much every time you log into your phone, you can also set it to when you log in incorrectly or log in just correctly, it takes a picture through your camera of the person logging into your phone. So it's pretty cool. And then sometimes it doesn't work with this, but it also displays the apps that the person went on to. So for me, it doesn't work all the time for the app thing, but every time someone logs into my phone, it always takes a picture. But like I don't know why. Like sometimes it works with showing the apps, or sometimes it doesn't work with showing the apps that the person did. So it's pretty cool though. So you see, I'm going to here, and I guess it was dark, but we'll find one. So yep, and then there should be a picture of me somewhere. I don't know where it was for there. There I am, and it shows you exactly what apps like you went into. So it's pretty cool. If you not sure if like your spouse or friend or girlfriend or boyfriend is going into your phone without your permission, this is the perfect way to catch them because not only is it proof that like they did it, it also shows them like what apps they went into and the timestamp, and it takes a picture of them so they can't even deny it. So this is like a lifesaver. Like I said, see, like sometimes it doesn't record what apps it went into. Sometimes it does. I don't know. It's kind of weird with that. But yeah, you click on that green button to turn off or turn on. When it's off, it's gray like this, and when it's on, it's green. So yeah, pretty cool. All right, two more apps. This one's called Spatial, and this pretty much you set it up, but pretty much what you do is like if you're far away from your phone, like maybe a couple feet, you actually can like use your fingers to like scroll. You can use your fingers to like scroll on like let's say you're on like YouTube Shorts or Instagram or TikTok, whatever. you actually can use your finger to scroll down on the screen. So like you just like, let's say that your phone is like a couple feet away from you, like it uses your camera to see you, and then like when you move your finger a certain way, it actually scrolls automatically for you. Like you go up or down or adjust the volume or whatever. So it's pretty cool. I mean, I don't really have too much use of this, and sometimes like when I'm scrolling, sometimes it doesn't catch us, but overall it's a cool concept and it does work pretty well. So I'm not gonna really like show you like me setting it up. You have to give all these permissions and all that, but yeah, just give all the permissions, and then it's it goes through a tutorial, so you know how to like use it. But yeah, it's pretty easy to use and it's pretty cool. And last but not least, we have Seno, and this is pretty much a web browser. Doesn't really like do. It's not really hard to explain. So pretty much what Seno does is that it allows you to access any website, even if it's blocked. So I haven't like actually tested that out, as in like if it works or doesn't work, because I'm not in school anymore. I actually just graduated from college with my bachelor's degree. But and yeah, so I mean, colleges do also restrict it, but this is probably going to get more use if you're in high school because they have more stricter policies. But some colleges do as well. So let's say you're like they ban TikTok on like a lot of schools' Wi-Fi, then you can try to go to TikTok on here, like on the web, search up TikTok.com, whatever, and it should work. So whatever like your website, your like Wi-Fi or school or whatever is blocking, this should allow you to like still access those websites that are supposedly blocked on your Wi-Fi. So yeah, pretty cool. Again, I'm not sure this actually works. I haven't tried it out, but this is what I was told that it supposed like it has some kind of technology that allows it to like bypass it. I don't know, but it's pretty cool. But yeah, you search up whatever you guys want to search up, and then it even if it's blocked, it should still work. And also, I think it does also block ads. I think, yeah, if I'm not mistaken. So if you actually go to here, and we actually can go to settings. You have some set options here, but let's go to settings, and then we have bridge mode, and then I think we can block ads, remote debugging. Yeah, I think there's a way to block ads, but yeah, it's pretty cool, guys. But yeah, those are the. I also recommend going here and changing it to Google. I think it starts on DuckDuckGo, but I prefer Google. But you can leave if you want. I'm pretty sure you can block ads as well on here. Yeah, guys, thanks so much for watching, and hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed it, smash our like button so I know to make more of these videos. And if you guys, can find an app, let me know. I'll probably send it to you via link. Um, most of these apps are in Play Store. If you can't find anyone, just let me know. Also, if you do want the top iPhone or iOS apps, then let me know down below. If I get a lot of people wanting it, then I'll definitely buy an iPhone so I can an up to date iPhone so I can make those videos for you guys. But yeah,